Hello, and welcome to this RAKwireless tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to build a multi-gateway LoRaWAN network using the gateway backend in built-in network server mode. By configuring one central gateway and multiple extender gateways, you can achieve unified device management and expand network coverage. This feature enables your RAK gateway to function as a local LoRaWAN network server, allowing you to configure expansion gateways for coverage extension. It manages devices and forwards data without requiring an internet connection, making it ideal for industrial IoT, smart agriculture, and remote deployments where reliable and scalable network coverage is essential. The entire configuration process is divided into 5 key steps, which we'll demonstrate in detail one by one. Let's get started. Step 1. Configure Central Gateway. First, we need to configure the central gateway as the core server of the network. After logging in, go to the LoRa configuration page. Set the work mode to built-in network server. Then expand the gateway backend area. Enable the built-in MQTT broker and configure it with these recommended settings. Click Save Changes. Your central gateway is now ready. Step 2. Register extender gateways in Central Gateway. Navigate to LoRa Gateways page. Click the Add Extender Gateway button. You need to fill in 3 key pieces of information for the extender gateway. The EUI can be found on the Extender Gateway device label or in the dashboard in Overview page of the Extender Gateway. After filling in, click Add to Extender Gateway list, then click Add Extender Gateway again to save. Next, the extender gateway still needs to be configured. Step 3. Configure Extender Gateway. Now we need to actually configure the extender gateway so it can connect to the central gateway. Log into the extender gateway's web interface. Go to LoRa, then Configuration. Set the work mode to Packet Forwarder. Next, configure the MQTT connection parameters. Note that the MQTT broker address must be the actual network IP address of the central gateway, not 127.0.0.1. Click Save Changes to complete the configuration. Step 4. Add and manage LoRaWAN devices. Now that the network is ready, we need to create applications and add end devices on the central gateway. First, go to the LoRa, then Applications page. Click Add Application to create a new application. After the application is successfully created, we can add end devices to it. Click to enter this application. On the Application Details page, click Add End Device to add a device. First, configure the basic parameters of the device. Next, we need to input the unique identifier of the device. Click Add End Devices. Finally, confirm all information is correct. Click Save to complete device addition. After the device is successfully added, you can monitor device communication through the Packet Capture feature. Click on any packet to view detailed information, including which extender gateway forwarded the data. If you need to send commands to the device, you can use the downlink feature. Step 5. View data logs on the gateway extender. Finally, we use an MQTT client to connect to the central gateway and view detailed data logs from extender gateways in real time. First, create a new connection. Enter the central gateway's IP address and port 1883, and keep authentication and TLS turned off. After successful connection, enter gateway/hash in the topic box to subscribe to all gateway data, or enter gateway/EUI/hash to subscribe to a specific gateway. View the received data, including key information such as gateway MAC, timestamp, frequency, etc., facilitating network debugging and analysis. Let's recap what we've covered today. Configured central gateway with MQTT broker. Registered extender gateways. Configured extender gateway connection. Added and managed devices. And monitored logs via MQTT. Your multi-gateway LoRaWAN network is now successfully running. This configuration achieves network coverage expansion and centralized data processing, providing a reliable foundation for large-scale IoT deployments. If you find this guide helpful, leave a comment and consider subscribing for more tutorials like this.